Okay, we're going to talk about printing from Internet Explorer. Um, and again, a lot of search engines have similar print features, but we're going to go ahead and use Internet Explorer for this example. If you, for some reason, find it doesn't fit a different browser, please let us know. I'd be happy to do one on the specific browser you use. Um, Back to the printing. A lot of people can print pretty much anything on the web. Most people will go up to this printer icon here, right underneath the little search bar, if you have that on, and it will spit out the entire page. Um, and we'll go ahead and print preview here, and you can see roughly it's going to be 2 pages, and it's going to spit out everything that's on the side. Um, and if you're lucky enough, it has a print option, so it'll whittle down um, to the bulk of the story. But let's say you just want to print a particular part of the page. You can actually left click and just hold it and highlight like you would in anything else, and just be careful before you stop because it will all start grabbing everything. But wherever you stop, and then you can right click or go up to this icon. I'm going to go ahead and right click and choose print preview. Um, and here at the top, you can actually see the options you have. It says, one page view, and you can pick if it's multiple pages. You can choose shrink to fit and resize it a little bit. But this middle option down will initially say as laid out on screen, meaning as the page sits and that you're viewing. Well, if you clicked it after having selected something on the page, which it'll only give this option if you have, as you'll see, it's only showing me what I actually highlighted, and I can print just that. So I don't have to have everything else under the sun on this page. I mean, and the nice thing is the top and at the bottom of the page is going to give me where I got this information anyhow. Um, so if I need to go back and figure out where I got it, I can figure out where I printed it from. Um, but a lot of times I find this helpful if you just want a part um, of an article written or part of a story, especially if you want to read it later or whatnot. And it saves a lot of paper that way. Also printing to PDF if you have watched that tutorial. If you really want to be conservative on paper, you can print and just store it as a file. But it does give you a way to trim down all that excess of the banners and the side articles and everything else. So um, just another little tool to use that can, hopefully you can use. Thank you.